space for the new one. Okay. So we didn't have to drop it down completely because we want to use this space for storage and okay, let's go now. Like now we are using this one for storage of cement. Yeah. Last here we are putting all the
Hey, come and show this cement.
this is for cement and every other tools. Okay, this one is for old property.
Okay, so this is a living quarter. Someone's living down there. This door is probably like. This is original.
Yeah,
This door is probably like 80 years old, man.
nowadays you hardly see good wood because nowadays before you know
Yeah, this is old school. Like all these wood windows were like 60s.
magic like this very durable.
This is my bro. This is probably a problem. Probably.
Yeah.
This can be reused now.
Yeah, so you use. So this
These
is
old structures. Look at the doorway. The doorway is
small. This
That's
very
also.
strong. So this one, they are running on where my workers are staying in.
Okay. So you stay over there in Manza, and then let's show some of this. 8 millimeter.
Yeah. Oh, of course, this was serious.
You have to tie your rebar.
Yeah. This is where we dig boreholes.
So this is where the borehole is going to go.
Yeah, we dig the borehole.
This is the borehole.
Yeah.
That's going to support the new structure.
Yeah. So you can connect it to anywhere.
What is this?
Okay, this is an old structure or kitchen. An old kitchen. We access from the other side.
Oh, okay. And this is what? 12 or 12 mm. For the beams.
Yeah, for the beams and columns.
This is GP country. I have water, everything that you need. Just walk the camera through
The garage.
Okay. Two-car garage?
Yeah. This garage will contain 2 cars.
And this is built using 6-inch blocks for the entire structure. Bungalow, right?
From this garage, this is going to be done and also but just like this.
Okay.
And we had a plan for a grave.
Okay, I heard about that.
We have done that. We have done the way we are going to function here.
Okay. So this is not going to be German for.
No, it's going to be done. But what we have is that we are going to set a map for that. So while we are compacting this site completely with the asphalt, here we will not do asphalt. It's going to be just kind of a big concrete focus so that when in such case and when they want to break it, they can just break down. So this is the Akwa and this is the profile. This is what we call profile. Yes. This is to give us a level.
So is this a bedroom?
Okay, yeah. This is the bedroom.
So the bedroom here, bedroom there, bathroom?
Bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah. All empty.
And this is
This is lobby.
lobby. You're walking from the garage straight into the. I'm assuming this is the living room.
Yeah. This is a small setup for this apartment, kind of apartment, this other side. So in case the boys are using this side, they can access from this side. Instead of interfering from the main parlor, they can access from this side. Boys. So here we have a lobby that leads to when this is kitchen, this is a lobby. This general lobby, it helps to navigate from kitchen to kitchen.
Right.
Veranda for the kitchen. So you can now, from the main kitchen, access here to outside. Where people can, sit and do cook.
Maybe a doorway.
Yeah, there's a door there. So this is the main kitchen. It is big enough. We have storage. Store for the kitchen.
Right.
Yeah, we now have dining here.
So this is an open format.
No. We have rooms here. We have parlor here. So we have 2 rooms here. One, the mistress. We have the mistress toilet. We have the master's toilet, the master's room. Then this place is dining. Here is dining. Where I'm standing is dining, which is very close to the kitchen. From the kitchen to the dining.
No wall.
No, there will be a wall.
There'll be a wall.
There will be a wall. Not a wall.
Okay.
So here is the parlor, the main parlor. Here is the parlor. So nowadays, we don't access direct from parlor. That's what we call foyer or a reception. So we access from the reception here before you now access the main parlor. The essence of this place is kind of difficult to traveling, or you're having another visitor where you can tell the real seat.
Like a sitting area.
Yeah. They can mount the television where you can until you are done with the morning.
Then you can come in and see.
This side. So we have here, we have the visitor. So some people call it visitor parlor. Some people call it visitor parlor. Where we also have a visitor toilet.
Which makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. Which you don't have to have a second one. You can use your this one too. So that's it. Even in this garage, we have a kind of a small store in this garage. The reason for the store is for tools. You can keep those tires and every other thing.
Nice. Obviously, detail. I like the garden there. This is village, nice, modern village living. It's not the village of 20 years ago.
Pillar. It's kind of a box pillar. A box pillar here. We have a box pillar here. So this place will be used as a box. Here. So it's a tree. So we have it there. We have it. Because of what we are doing to the house. That's
All the blocks that you molded, is able to support the building or able to molding it? So this whole thing,
we have some
oh, I saw. How many blocks total?
so far we have molded approximately 200
Thank you so much. It's amazing. All right, thanks.